Inkampani yebhasi yakwa-Intercity Express iphehlelele ibhasi ezintsha zodidi oluphezulu ezongeziweyo kwinqwelo-moya zayo kumsitho obubanjelwe eCenturion ekuqaleni kwanamhlanje. Ezi bhasi zintsha zikhowe ngobuchwepheshe banamhlanje zijolise ekuqinisekiseni ukhuseleko kubaqhubi, abakhweli kunye nabahamba ngeenyawo kwindlela.
Uqinisekisa ukuphepha emgwaqweni, inkampani yamabhasi athutha abantu amabanga amade i-Intercity Express yethula unyanyavu lwamabhasi anezinga eliphezulu lobuchwepheshe. Ongumphathi omkhulu kule nkampani uVeynand van Niehuisen echaza kabanzi usho kanje.
Today's event is the launch of the new Marco Polo G8 vehicles, the first of its kind in the country. Those vehicles were ordered more than a year ago, and the first right-hand drives were developed for South Africa and arrived now. So, they're quite unique vehicles. You can see top of the range, proper, luxury vehicles.
Uqhube wachaza ngobuchwepheshe obusezingeni eliphezulu kulezi yithuthi.
These are the latest technology in the world. They also got the European rollover standards, which far exceed the South African rollover standard. Lane assist features, cameras, brake assist. So a lot of, technical, if I can call it, enhancements, that make the vehicle much safer on the road and assist the driver to get his passengers safely from point A to point B.
Uphetha ngokuthi lobu buchwepheshe angeke bube nomthelela kwintengo yokugibela lamabhasi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguDaud Phungula ngibika ngise Centurion.